Hello, I am at the VIU Hotel in Milan, Italy. Here is our room. I am not videoing myself after being probably 20 something hours away from home with no way to clean up. So it's a very nice hotel, very pungent smell on entry, and this is our beautiful view. Not so beautiful. Anyway, we have a nice side window that actually opens, but it looks at another room. But there you go. The room does not have a smell of its own once you get up into the hallways where the rooms are. Then everything is very neutral. It seems like a very nice staff. And they seem to be forgiving of our terribleness from the 90-degree heat. All right, yes, we have a bidet, and these are the toiletries. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Ready?
Yes.
Voilà. Chill.